Hello children, I Kiran Thakur, your English teacher. Welcome you back children to class 2. Children, we have already completed our chapter number 1 in English literature. Now, this is story time children. Yes, we will continue with chapter number 2 in English literature, Grandpa Farooq's Garden. So children, before we start our chapter, let me show you this beautiful place. Do you know children which place is this? This is Grandpa Farooq's garden. It's really beautiful, isn't it children? This is Grandpa Farooq and this is a sweet little boy Amir. Both of them are sitting in Grandpa Farooq's garden. So children, let us start our chapter number 2, Grandpa Farooq's garden. Grandpa Farooq's garden was Amir's favorite place. Amir loved the fruits, the leaves, the flowers and the trees there. He also loved spending time with Grandpa. They worked together in the garden every week. When they finished, they enjoyed the fresh fruits from the garden. Children, I have shown you Grandpa Farooq's garden in the beginning. You have seen, no? Yes, that garden is Amir's favorite place. He loved the fruits, the leaves, the flowers and the trees there. Everything of that garden he loved. Okay? Who? Amir. You know children, he also loved spending time with Grandpa. You know, there they used to work together. Okay? Every week he used to go there. Amir used to go to Grandpa's garden every week. Okay? There they used to work together. And when they used to finish their work, no, they used to enjoy the fresh fruits from the garden. They used to pluck fruits from the trees and they used to enjoy. Who? Grandpa Farooq and Amir. They used to sit together and enjoy the fruits from the garden. One day, Grandpa was very quiet. He worked in the garden without saying a word. They plucked fresh fruits, but Grandpa did not eat any. Children, what happened one day? Grandpa was not speaking anything. He was quiet. He might be sad, children. That is why he was quiet. He was not saying anything. Grandpa and Amir, they worked together in the garden, but that time Grandpa did not speak a single word. Okay? After that, they also plucked fresh fruits, and they used to eat together, no? But that day, Grandpa did not eat any fruit. Okay? Understood, children? What's wrong, Grandpa? Asked Amir. Now, Amir is worried for Grandpa. He saw that Grandpa is not talking. He is not saying anything. What happened with Grandpa? Why he is not talking? So he asked Grandpa, what's wrong? Why you are not talking? Why you are sad? Why you have not eaten fruits? Okay? What did Grandpa say, children? See? My garden is dying, Amir, replied Grandpa. What did Grandpa reply? That his garden is dying. Now, children, why Grandpa's garden is dying? What do you think? Why the garden is dying? Okay? Now Amir is also confused why Grandpa is saying so. So see, Amir is also asking, why do you think so? Asked Amir. Look closely, said Grandpa. Some pests are eating the plants. Okay? Some insects are eating the plants. Here you can see, children, this pest, okay, it means what? It means insect. Okay? Insect which eats plants. So, actually Grandpa was sad because he saw that some insects were eating his plants of the garden. Okay? So, he was worried now what will happen to the garden. Okay? That is why he was sad. Amir looked at the leaves of the nearby plant. Means there was a plant nearby Amir. He went closer to that plant and he saw that half of the leaves had been chewed off. Chewed off means eaten by the insect. Okay? Half of the leaves had been eaten by the insect. That is the reason Grandpa was actually sad. He was not talking. He was not eating any fruits. Okay, children? Can't we do something to stop this? Asked Amir. Now Amir is also worried for the garden. Now he is asking to Grandpa that can't we do something to save our garden, Grandpa? We need, see here children, I am reading here, okay? We need ladybirds, said Grandpa. They are very useful bugs. They can eat these pests and save my garden. But where will I find them? What did Grandpa say, children? That we need ladybirds. Do you know what is ladybirds, children? Come, let me show you what is ladybirds. Can you see this, children? This? Yes, this is ladybirds. This is also an insect which eats other insects. Okay? So there are so many insect in Grandpa Farooq's garden, no? Those who are eating all the leaves, yes? And the garden is dying. So these ladybirds can help Grandpa. They can save Grandpa's garden. That is why Grandpa is asking for the ladybirds. But he is worried. Okay? He is worried that where he will get them. From where he will bring ladybirds. From where he will bring these useful bugs. Bugs means also insect. Okay children? Bugs means insect. Now come here. Come to this line, children. Don't worry, Grandpa. I will bring you a bug or two, said Amir. What Amir is saying? That don't worry. I will bring you. He is promising to Grandpa that he will bring a bug or two. A bug means one bug. One or two he will bring surely for Grandpa. What he will bring, children? Ladybirds. Okay? So now let's see our next paragraph, children. Amir went home and began to look for ladybirds everywhere. On the second day, he found 2 ladybirds while walking home from school. Means when he came back from the garden, he started looking for the ladybirds. Okay? He started finding ladybirds. Okay, children? And on second day when he went to school and he was coming back from school to home, he found 2 ladybirds. Okay, how many ladybirds? 2 ladybirds. They were in the grass growing by the side of the road. Okay. Have you ever seen children grasses beside the road? Yes. There only Amir found two ladybirds while coming back from school. Okay. Then what did he do? He carefully picked them up and brought them home. He carefully, very gently picked them all up and brought them home. Okay, children? Whom Amir have brought? Ladybirds. Okay, how many ladybirds were there? Two ladybirds. Okay, children? Next, Amir put small leaves and twigs at the bottom of a big plastic box. Okay, come children, let me show you this big plastic box. Can you see here? Yes. What did Amir do? He put some of the, can you see here? He have placed some of the leaves, twigs. What is twigs? Thin branches of a plant. Okay, very thin branches. Okay, children, is called twigs. So Amir have placed some of the leaves, twigs in this big plastic box. Then gently placed the ladybirds inside. Can you see here? Ladybirds. What Amir did? He gently placed these ladybirds in this box. Okay? He kept some food and water for them in the box. Not only leaves and twigs, children, Amir have also placed some of the food and water for them. For whom? For ladybirds. Okay? Okay, children, understood? Actually, Amir is a very kind boy. Okay? So that is why he is worried for the ladybirds, that what they will eat, no? So he have placed some of the food and water for ladybirds in this big plastic box. Okay? Children, here we end with first part of the story, Grandpa Farooq's Garden. Now, half of the story I will continue in the second part. So wait for the second video. Thank you, children. Take care.